Alright, so I am just getting ready to install Unitronic Stage 2 on my 2017 Golf Sportwagen. Got my computer all set up already with the Unitronic, or Unit Connect Plus, I think is what it's called, cable programmed for me and connected for this car, the Sportwagen, by ShopDAP. And now it comes time to actually plug into the OBD2 sensor and get started. Quick note, I do have the car on a battery charger, so maintaining the battery, so that's super important when you're programming the ECU, or so I've been told. And if you notice, I'm using a Mac. They don't make the software for Mac. I'm running Windows 10 on it. It's just the computer that I have, and I run both OS X and Windows, so that's why I'm able to do that. So plugged in, it's asking me to connect to OBD2 sensor now. Alright, I am connected. It says please ensure the cable is connected to the OBD2 port and the vehicle ignition is switched on without the engine running. Please ensure the VIN has been detected correctly. If incorrect VIN confirmed, the application will not be able to communicate with the ECU. So let's check the VIN number. So here it's asking me for what I'm performing. I'm doing a performance engine flash. So apparently it only gives you the options that you're going for. So it does give you the option of Stage 1, Stage 1 Plus, and Stage 2, E20 or 93 octane. We're going to do Stage 2. Currently downloading the file. Gives you a very important item, a README to go through. You want to make sure the process doesn't get interrupted for any reason. Make sure that you are hooked up to some sort of backup battery for your vehicle and your computer battery has enough, which should be good. I have a charger for the computer nearby if needed. Alright, we just hit 100%. ECU has been programmed successfully. Please switch ignition off and click next to restart ECU reinitialization. Ignition is off. Now switch ignition on, then off again, and click next. Now switch ignition on and click next to check if his ECU is okay. U1123 data bus error value code received, which I believe is the flashing code. Gonna click next. Your ECU has been programmed successfully. Please switch ignition off, then click done to complete the process. Turn your ignition off and click done. So apparently, that's it. Feels the same right now. We'll see what happens here. And on the GoPro, from when we started recording, I'm just reaching 30 minutes total. So hopefully I'll compress this down and speed it up so it's not that long. But that's where we're at. I'm going to close this. The light on the OBD connector is green, which I would assume means safe to unplug. So I'm going to unplug from there. Unplug from the computer. I can close this laptop. and we'll see once we take it for a test drive here. Yeah. 5.95 seconds according to the app for a 0 to 60.